Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change notification sound in Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to change your notification sound on Ring, all you need to do is simply first of all open your Ring app. So once you open your Ring app, you will be ending up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the left hand side of the corner and tap on control center. Once you go there, you can simply scroll down below to notification preferences. However, you can see that there is just the option of emails from Ring or the mobile phone notification, where if you even tap it, you can't find any of the option to change your sound of notification in both the mobile push notifications or the email push notification. So even if you don't find it, you can change the notification sound by simply exiting the app and tap open the settings option. So once you open the settings option, you can see the sound and vibration options. So submit. And once you tap on it, you can go to ringtone or notification sounds and simply change the ringtone of your mobile phone or even the notification sound of the mobile phone, which will help you change the notification sound on the Ring app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.